In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to press a sublimation transfer onto a frosted wine glass. This one is 500 ml, using a sublimation shrink sleeve. First of all, once you've applied your transfer, place the shrink sleeve over the glass, slide it on, but you'll notice that there are two different sizes. So from top to bottom, the taller one is 135 ml and the smaller one here is 120 ml. So we'll switch that on and we set it to 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Now the heat press has reached temperature. We've got it set to 10 minutes. The elements are on both top and bottom. You'll notice also that the size of the 500 ml frosted wine glass won't allow it to stand upright in your heat press, in the 3D heat press. So I use either a shot glass or just a spare water bottle. And what I do is put that inside just to hold it down so it actually lays down in the heat press. Close the lid and press time. And away we go. So that's in there for 10 minutes. Here we go. Switch that off. Lift the lid. Quite hot. Now first of all, I'm going to take out my drink bottle and you'll see the wine glass sort of bounce up a little bit. And then take the wine glass out. I'm going to let that cool for a little while before I take the shrink wrap off. And I'm going to turn the heat press off. Now the next step is to demonstrate pressing 3 at a time. I'm going to do those for 14 minutes. So we'll need to change the time setting and change that up to 14 minutes. So the time is set for 14 minutes at 200 degrees with both the top and the bottom elements going. But you need to be very careful of the surface of the sublimation as it does get a bit soft when it's hot. So that's going to come off. And watch your fingernails too on the surface of the glass. Take transfer off and the big reveal. Here we go. Now what I'll do is I will remove these from the heat press, let them cool, and then I'll show you the rest all together. So all 4 wine glasses are done now. We did one on its own for 200 degrees at 10 minutes and we did 3 together for 14 minutes.